How to use Notion AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion AI to write faster, summarize notes, and get more done inside Notion. First, open Notion and go to any page you're working on. It could be a blank page or one that already has content on it. To start a new conversation, simply click on New Chat. Now, you can ask it to write something for you. Just type in what you need, like write a project plan for a social media campaign, and hit Send icon. Notion AI will generate it right on the page. And tap on Open to see the project. If you already have content on the page, select the text you want to work with, and a small menu will appear. And you'll see options like Improve Writing, Proofread, Explain, Reformat, and more. Just pick what you need, and Notion AI will update the text instantly. You can also use it to generate action items from meeting notes, translate text, or just brainstorm ideas, all without leaving the page. And that's it. Notion AI is built right into your workspace and makes writing and organizing so much faster.